How did you find out you had this heart problem? So let's copy this question again. Let's go to the codes area, right click, create new code. Let's paste this question and call it question number 2. Remember, we are just doing this to contain the code so that when you do analysis for so many focus groups, you're going to have all the codes organized well. This does not mean that these number 1 and 2 are themes. No, these are just containers of our codes. We are going to combine these containers to form subthemes and themes later. So you can see, let's keep coding. How did you find out that you had this heart problem? I found out when I started drinking a lot, drank like an old pig. When Tuesdays arrived, I got sick and came to the HU. I arrived here, my kidney has stopped working and my heart was out of rhythm. And that's when I found out I had these problems. High blood pressure I already knew I had, but then I found that my heart was out of rhythm. So how did you find out that you had this problem? They found out when? Let's read here. I got sick and came to the... Only this statement, we can code this as... Let me show you another way of coding. We can right click, go to code selection. Remember, we want this code under number 2 and we want to call it child code. And I want to call this, how did you find out? Right click, go to code selection and call this diagnosed in a healthcare facility. Diagnosed in a healthcare facility. Don't worry about misspelling. I can always go in and right click and go to code properties and correct any form of misspelling. So then I want to right click here and I want to go to aggregate coding from children. Okay, just to add up all the codes. Let's